Hi everyone, Coach Kraus here. Today we're going to work on our catching, and we're going to use something a little different than normal to work on our catching. We're going to use a plastic grocery bag. The reason why we're using a plastic grocery bag is because we're inside, so we don't want a ball to bounce around and break a window or something. Also, the grocery bag is going to move a little slower than a ball or something, which gives us a little bit more time to work on our catching. So there are 4 different challenges today, and I'm going to show you the first one. The first one is you're going to take your grocery bag, you're kind of going to pinch it at the end here, and you're going to bring it up into the air and throw it up into the air. So here I go, throwing into the air. I'm going to catch it with both hands. Now we're going to try that 10 times. See if you can do it. You're going to throw it up, catch it, throw it up, catch it. Using both hands, making sure that each time I'm watching the air, I'm reaching out with my hands to grab the bag. I'm not just laying back. I'm gonna actually reach out with my hands and grab the bag. I'm not gonna let it just come to me. I'm gonna go to the bag with my hands. I'm going to the bag with my hands, reaching out and grabbing that bag. Try that for about 10 times. If you can do it for 10 times, then you're ready for challenge number 2. And challenge number 2 is you're gonna use whichever hand you write with. For me, that's my right hand. And I'm gonna throw it with one hand and catch it with one hand. So I'm gonna throw it with one hand, catch it with one hand. Throw it with one hand, catch it with one hand. And I'm gonna keep on going until I can make 10 catches. Just like 2 hands, I'm reaching out for the bag. I'm gonna bring the bag to me because that's what I wanna do when I'm catching a ball or something else. So reach out and grab it and bring it to me. So reach out, grab it, bring it to me, okay? And also, I'm gonna try to do those catches without the bag falling onto the floor. If I can do 10 with this hand, it means I'm ready for challenge number 3, which is 10 with the other hand. For me, that's my left hand. So I'm gonna put it in my left hand, I'm gonna toss it in the air, I'm gonna catch it with that hand, toss it in the air, reach out, grab it, catch it. Toss it, reach out, grab it, and catch it. If you can do that 10 times, then you are ready for the 4th bag challenge, and that is catching it from one hand to the other. So watch, I'm gonna put it in my right hand here. I'm gonna toss it in the air, and I'm gonna catch it with my left hand. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, but the opposite direction. So my left hand here, I'm gonna toss it in the air, I'm gonna catch it with the other hand. Each time I switch, go to one hand, go to the other hand. Go to one hand, and go to the other hand. Just like that. As it's going in the air, the bag is going in the air, it's flying. I'm watching with my eyes. I'm watching with my eyes and reaching out to that bag to catch it. So following the bag with my eyes, follow it with my eyes, reach out and catch it. Follow it with my eyes, reach out and catch it. So see how many of those challenges you can do today and practice your catching, and hope you have a good time practicing your catching.